everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are going to do my makeup switch up. So I have a desk full of crap right now. And I've gotten so many new things and gone through some old things that I want to kind of switch things up so I can put some stuff in rotation. So we are going to talk about what I've had out in front of me, what I've actually used from what I have out in front of me, and my thoughts on some of the new things that I've bought, that I've bought since then. So let me just kind of clean up a little area right here in front of me so we don't get stuff everywhere because, you know, I'm a little messy. If you want to see how I got this look, I will put the link below or put it in a card up here so you can watch that video. Yeah. Alright, you guys. So right now, I'm just going to go through. I have a palette, holder in front of me that holds my palettes that I love. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is my NARS Wanted palette. So this palette here, I have not used it this month, but I do love it. This is going to be a great palette for the fall. I'm probably going to leave this out just so that I can get some use out of it. The other palette I have out is the little mini from Natasha Denona for the Sunset palette. I'll probably leave that out as well. I see a theme occurring here. That's not what I want to do. The other palette that I have out is this palette here from MAC. It was a special limited edition. It was the Fruta La La palette. And yeah, it's gorgeous. Do not get me wrong. It's a gorgeous palette. It's gorgeous. Maybe I should leave that out too. Here we go. Here we go. Susan, that's not how it's supposed to work. Okay, I'll commit that I'll leave my little tiny palettes out just in one section. Once I fill that one section, I can't have any more palettes that are little and tiny that I've already had out. Deal? Deal. Okay. This is my Natasha Denona little mini Lila palette. I did not buy the mini, was it the mini star? Because I have the palette. I know maybe one shade is new or something, but it don't mean I need it. I have had this palette out. This is the Nude Awakening from Wet n Wild. I've had it out to do a video on it, but I'm going to put it... I need to start collecting things I need to do videos on again in another drawer. Because having them out here is not working for me. It's not working for me at all. Sorry, I'm just cleaning up as I go. So I also have out the Smashbox Volata palette, which I adore. This is just beautiful. It's just a beautiful little palette. I am going to put it away, and we'll come back to that. This is my Dior Backstage palette, the Warm Neutrals. I'm going to put this away for a little bit as well. I used it once or twice, but I want to keep some other things out. So this is my Aspen Ovard palette. So I love this palette. This is just a great everyday palette, and I'm probably going to keep that out in lieu of the others. Here, you don't get to go back yet. I have my Milani Gilded palette out as well. I've used this a couple times this month. It wasn't my favorite when I first got it. The more I use it, the more I really do like it. I'm going to put it away for a little bit, but it is a good little palette. Then I have my Milani Pure Passions palette. That's what that one looks like. I have not used it at all this month. It's going away. It's going away, way. We'll just clear up a few things real quick. So this is my Z palette for my ABH. This is my Makeup Geek Z palette. These always stay out just because if I need a shade, I know I'll have a complement of something in there. Alright, let's grab some of these palettes and see. I also have out my Pure Soiree Diaries. I'm probably going to leave this out because this is a great neutral palette. I can get several looks from it for work. So, I pulled out my Alamar Cosmetics palette that we got in a BoxyCharm because I just love this palette. And I didn't touch it. So, I'm going to leave it out. Do you see the theme that's going on? It's bothering me. I have so many fall palettes already out. I can't believe it. Alright, so this is my Androgyny palette from Jeffree Star. I'm going to go ahead and leave that out as well. There's a lot of good shades in here for the fall. We'll see. It'll work through November. It ain't staying past then. Because it's going to go... Whoops. So, I have my 2 Melt Cosmetics, the 21 palette out. I'm going to put that away. My Gemini palette. Beautiful greens. But I'm going to put that away too. Because of the wonderful thing she does. Okay. Be quiet, Susan. This is my MAC Naughty Girl palette. I'm going to put that away. Just haven't been using it. And I've got stuff out similar to that. This is my... Instant Eye palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the first one that came out. It's not the newer one. I hear the newer one's better than this one. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I just don't think it's worth the money. There, I said it. I'm sorry, Charlotte. I love you to death, but that palette is not worth what it cost. Alright. So, I have my Norvina palette out. I think I'm going to put this away. We're going to put this away. Yeah, we're going to put that away. Get ready to make a mess. So, I have my Zoeva Caramel Melange palette out. This is what it looks like. I am probably going to put it away because I've kept out several things that look like this, but that is one hell of a palette. I have my Dominique Cosmetics palette out. I'm going to leave this out and try and force myself to use it. I don't know why I don't use it. I like it. I just don't know why I don't use it. Alright, then I have my Hidden Treasures palette out from Dose of Colors. That is what it looks like on the inside. It is beautiful. I have like used it once. Yeah. I'm going to put it away too because I have some things I'm hanging out that are like that. Then I have my 2 Colored Rain palettes out. My Cheers to the Beauty. This I bought because it was half price. Gorgeous. Going to leave it out just because it's multicolored. It's probably the only thing I have left that has bright primary colors in it, except for my Crown palette, which is just huge and it doesn't fit in my thing. This is the, is it called the Queen of Hearts? It is beautiful. Gorgeous palette. But we're going to put it away for a little bit. We're going to put that away. I know you guys are like, please don't sing. Alright, so I bought, like I said, and I've done videos, and you will have seen them by now, 4 palettes from ColourPop that I'm going to leave out. One is the Femme Rosa palette. That's what it looks like on the inside. We're going to leave that out. Then I bought the Disney palette, which I really did like as well. We're going to leave that out. We're going to leave it all out. this Good Sport palette, oh, screams fall. Screams fall. Love it. We're going to leave that out as well. And then I got this Ooh La La palette with all these bright, bright pinks. And I thought I was not going to be, I was like, this is not going to be my thing. It's going to go in a giveaway. I like it. Oh, what you got in there? The things I find in my stuff. So the other thing I pulled out to do a Throwback Thursday with was my Master Palette by Mario from Anastasia. This is what it looks like on the inside. Sorry, guys. I love this palette. I absolutely adore it. So I'm going to leave that out. And then... it's really windy out. And then I bought 2 of the Huda Beauty Gem palettes. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think they call it the Gem palettes. This is the Ruby Obsessions. This is the Emerald Obsessions. I might get the Coral Obsessions. I don't know. This is what the Ruby Obsessions looks like. It's beautiful. I want to play with it some more. And then I'll show you what the Emerald Obsessions looks like. I mean, who wouldn't love that? Who wouldn't love that? Well. So, and then I have one other palette. Actually, the palette I used for this look. This is the Bad Habit Solstice palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's the dupe for the the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And yeah, for right now, I'm not going to put any... Oh, let's talk about something. Because I just have to say it. These are my Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes. Besides doing a look for you, I have not touched these palettes. Because I keep them in this box. And I don't need to. So I'm going to put away the Bling Boss. That's the purple and cranberry type palette. Actually, maybe we're not putting that one away. We're going to leave out the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It's like, this is very... I did a video where I duped this with the Gemini palette. I'm going to leave that out. I'm actually going to leave this one out too. This is beautiful as well. This is Dark Magic. And then I'm going to go ahead and put Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm, which is this palette. I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 away because I have similar palettes out this month and that's why I don't use them. I feel like I have like palette fatigue because I have so many in front of me. I'm like, what do I use? I don't know. So, yeah, that was probably way more than you ever wanted to know. But that is my palette switch up for the past 2 months. Actually, I haven't done it in a while, so it was time to kind of put a little fall spin on my palettes that are in front of me. And yeah, we're going to add a couple to it I haven't done videos on yet, and I am sure, there's no doubt in my mind, I'm going to add a couple. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. I just want to squeeze you. Alright guys. Mwah!